Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog. Anyway, I'm cleaning my Facebook. I need to delete all the video that has a copyright, has a violation, because I received a message from Meta. If I won't remove all the video that has a violation, they gonna remove my account. So I need to remove all the video that has violation, copyright claims, or there is music or what. That's why I need to clean my account so that Meta won't remove my account in FB. Anyway guys, today is Wednesday. Very hot outside, you see? It's too hot. But the aircon is cold, but the sun is very hot outside. Anyway guys, happy Wednesday everyone. May our day filled with love, joy, peace, and happiness. It's not pantay. The stand of my selfie stick. Anyway, some of the video that I cannot remove. I don't know why. How many times I keep trying to open all the reels, the video, but it shut down by itself. 4 times I open it because I delete the video that has a violation, but it will shut down by itself. I cannot even shut down. I am not yet finished to remove all the video that has violation here. Anyway guys, I hope I can clean my account so that it won't remove, because Meta is sending me a message if I won't clean my account, they're gonna remove my account. You know what I'm posting, I'm singing, the video that I'm singing, it's all have copyright. We cannot post the video that we sing. Shuhada, we're the one singing, but we got a copyright. So I need to remove all that video, but I keep shutting down my every time I open it and delete all the keep shutting down by itself. That's why I open it again and again. How many times I open? 4 times already. I don't want my Facebook account will remove. That's why I need to remove all the video that has violation, copyright. I want to clean it so that I keep my account. Because this account is very long time already, since 2012. I start this account 2012. I want to keep this until now. More than 14 years already. My Facebook account. And Meta want to remove this because of the violation. How many video has violation? I accept the change of that video, but they keep sending me a warning. I accept mute the video or the earnings ay not I don't claim the earnings, but it's keep in sending me a warning that I need to because I have violation like this, like that. That's why I need to remove all the video that has a violation because I don't want my account to be removed. I want to keep my account. That's why I need to remove that has violation. Anyway guys, I hope your day will be all the video that has music, it has a violation anyway. So I need to delete. Every time I see it hang again, I cannot delete because it's hang. Oops, there is problem. Problem again. Cannot remove the video. Why? I need to remove the video anyway. Bakit? Why? So hard. I need to shut down again. It shut down again. I not shut down. I don't know. I keep shutting down by itself. I don't even where can I find the help support. Sure. I need that help center. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment and suggestion, and of course don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye. Why I need to go to my I want to go to my help support, not my I want activity log. I need help support.